Question 19, Bundle 11, Module 1. A triangle is given to us, which is a right angle triangle. QR, SR are the two legs of the triangle, and SQ is the hypotenuse. Okay. Side opposite to 90 degree is always the hypotenuse. Figure is not up to the scale, that's okay. In the triangle QRS, QR is smaller than RS. Okay. So QR is smaller than RS and RS is 18. So that means length of QR is less than 18. Okay, let's see how it's going to help us in our question. Okay, now if we see the options, all options have either sine Q and cos Q. So let's go back to the figure and check what sine Q and cos Q are. This is Q, right? Now, when we are doing trigonometric ratios, we basically use in SOHCAHTOA opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. These are the three sides. Opposite is always which is like opposite to the theta, the angle we are taking. So because here we're taking Q as the angle, so opposite will be SR, which is 18, and adjacent will be QR. Right? So that is adjacent and that is opposite. Now you may think adjacent is also hypotenuse, but no. In trigonometric ratios, when we are saying adjacent, that means it's one of the two legs of the right triangle other than hypotenuse. So QR is adjacent and SR is opposite. Okay. Now because the question says sine Q and cos Q, so let's write the values of this. If you do SOHCAHTOA, so sine Q is actually opposite over hypotenuse, right? Now opposite here is RS and hypotenuse is QS. RS over QS. RS over QS, and RS is 18 and QS is not known to us. So if we use this, sine theta is equal to 18 upon QS. Now, if you do it on a regular basis, right? So you will divide sine theta on both sides and multiply QS on both sides. So that means you will do it like this. And this side also, sine theta over QS, right? So what will happen? Sine theta and sine theta cancelled. Okay, I have just done the opposite. My bad. So that is QS over sine theta, and here QS cancelled. So that means Q of S is equal to 18 upon sine theta. That's okay. This is how we do it, right? But when you are dealing with SAT, you have to reach at a point where you can do this step directly. Here we can also use another term here. If you want to learn that, that's okay. If you don't want to. So if your sine theta is equal to 80 upon QS, one term is alternando. That means you replace numerator of the one with the denominator of the other, but only one pair. So then QS is equal to 18 upon sine theta, right? So this is the first method. This is the second method, which we use the word alternando. If it is new for you, leave it. Alternando. Or third is like do it orally. That if you multiply by QS on both sides, this QS will be cancelled. And if you divide by sine theta on both sides, this sine theta will be cancelled. You must reach at a level where you can do it orally. Okay, but whatever your way is, right? Our answer is QS is equal to 18 over sine theta. D seems to be right option, but let's do cos theta also. So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now adjacent is QR, right? And this is given that it is less than 18, but definitely not. Proper measurement is not given. But in our options, cos theta goes with the 18. So our smart step is that we can completely delete it, right? And 18 upon sine theta or sine q is our correct option, D1. Okay. Question number 20th. Circle A in the xy plane has equation x plus 5 whole squared plus y minus 5 whole squared is equal to 25. Okay. Circle B has the same center as circle A. The radius of the circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. So when it says they have the same center A, so that means this is circle A and this is circle B. And this radius, this one is double to that of this one. This is what the question is saying. This is circle B and this is circle A. Visualize it something like this. Concept number 1. Concept number 2 is that if you see the standard equation of the circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole squared is equal to r squared. So here r squared is 25, right? So that means r is equal to 5. This is also r, this is also r. This is cursive r. And as per the question, the radius of circle B is 2 times that of the radius A. So if radius of circle A is 5, radius of circle B is 2 times 5, which is 10. Now if I compare this equation one more time with this, so x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared, right? Okay, let's say it's 5 given in the question, x plus 5 whole squared. And now this time for B, radius is 10 squared. And how it is given in the question? R squared is written as k. So what is the value of k? 100. So you have to manually write this answer and value of k is 100, right?